To begin, make a chain of 14 stitches like this one. Then skip the first 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Go through the 4th chain. You go through the 2 loops of the 4th chain. Make a double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same chain space. The skipped chain 3 plus 2 double crochets in the same chain space, those are 3 double crochets. In the next 9 chain spaces, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. Make 9 double crochets across. I have made 1. Continue until you make 9 double crochets across. After making 9 double crochets across, the remaining chain space, I'm making 6 double crochets in the same chain space. This is 1. Continue until you make 6 double crochets in the same chain space. 2. After making 6 double crochets in the same chain space, make 9 double crochets across, going back to the beginning point. 1 double crochet, go to the next stitch. This is the second double crochet. Continue until you make 9. After making 9 double crochets across, in this chain space where I made 3 double crochets in the same chain space, I'm adding 3 to make them 6. 1, 2, and 3 double crochets. Then I will slip stitch in the chain 3. 1, 2, 3. The chain 3 that I skipped when beginning round 1, slip stitch to close the round. To begin the next round, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3 is counted as a double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same stitch where I slip stitched to make them 2. In the next 2 stitches, make 2 double crochets into each one of them. 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch. 1 and 2 in the same stitch. In the next 9 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. This is 1. Go to the next stitch. 2. Continue until you make 9 double crochets. After making 9 double crochets across, in the next 6 stitches, make 2 double crochets into each one of them. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Continue until you finish the 6 stitches. After finishing the 6 stitches, the remaining stitches repeat what we did this side, following the pattern on the screen. At the end of the round, I will skip this chain 3 and slip stitch into this double crochet to close the round. To begin the next round, chain 1. Chain 1 is counted as a single crochet. I'm marking where I will slip stitch at the end of the round. Make 1 single crochet in the same stitch where I chained 1 to make them 2. The chain 1 and 1 single crochet, those are 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The next stitch, make only 1 single crochet. The next stitch, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. In the next 6 stitches, make 1 single crochet into each one of them. 1, go to the next stitch. 2, go to the next stitch. 3, go to the next stitch. 4, go to the next stitch. 5, go to the next stitch. 6. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. The next 5 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. 1 double crochet, go to the next stitch. 1 double crochet, that is 2, go to the next stitch. 1 double crochet, that is 3, go to the next stitch. 1 double crochet, that is 4, go to the next stitch. 1 double crochet, that is 5. In the next 12 stitches, I'm going to make increases but not in every stitch. I increase in one stitch The next I don't increase and I count that as a set. So in this next stitch, make 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. The next stitch, I make only 1 double crochet. I count that as 1 set. Make 5 more sets to complete the 12 stitches. Once you complete the 6 sets, the remaining stitches repeat what we did this side, following the pattern on the screen. At the end of the round, I will slip stitch where I have this stitch marker to close the round. Make another sole the same way, then we join them together. This is the right side, wrong sides facing each other. I'm going to slip stitch around to join the 2 soles. You slip stitch around to join the 2 soles and repeat that until you come back to the beginning point. You slip stitch all round. Then I will slip stitch into the same stitch where I started to close the round and cut. I will use this needle, go through the same stitch, take this yarn to the other side, then tie these 2 pieces together. Then following this midline, without counting this middle stitch, I have counted 5 stitches this side, marked the 5th stitch. Without counting the middle stitch, I have counted 5 stitches this side, marked the 5th stitch. Then I will attach my yarn in the marked stitch. Chain 10, 1, 2, continue until you chain 10. After chaining 10, I will slip stitch where I have this stitch marker. To begin the next round, I'm adding 2 stitches this side so that I turn to begin round 2. Make a single crochet in the next stitch, make a single crochet in the next stitch, then turn. After turning, skip the first stitch, go through the second stitch, make a single crochet. I will skip this first chain and make 9 single crochets across this chain. So in total, I'm making 10 single crochets. Continue until you finish this chain. After making 9 single crochets across the chain, plus this single crochet that I made, those are 10 single crochets. To begin round 3, first I need to add 2 more stitches this side. So I go to this next stitch, make a single crochet, go to this next stitch, make a single crochet. To begin round 3, turn without chaining, skip the first stitch, go through the second stitch, make a single crochet, go through the next, make a single crochet, and continue making 1 single crochet into every stitch. At the end, you will make 11 single crochets. This is 11. Then add 2 more stitches this side before turning. 1, and 2. To begin round 4, you turn without chaining, skip the first stitch, go through the second stitch, make a single crochet, and continue making one single crochet into every stitch across. At the end, you will make 12 single crochets. This is 12. Then before you turn to begin the next round, you add 2 more stitches this side. 1, go to the next, 2. You turn without chaining, make one single crochet into every stitch, add 2 this side, turn without chaining, make one single crochet into every stitch across, add 2 more this side. Continue working that way until you get to round 6. This is what I have at the end of round 6. I will chain 1 and cut. Then I will skip the first 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Attach my yarn here. I will chain 1 as a single crochet, go to the next stitch, make a single crochet, 2, go to the next, 3, go to the next, 4, go to the next, 5, go to the next, 6. Chain 1 and turn. Beginning from this first stitch, make a single crochet, go to the next, make a single crochet, 2, go to the next, 3, go to the next, 4, go to the next, 5, and the last 6. Chain 1 and turn. Continue working the 6 stitches upwards until you get to row 14. This is what I have at the end of row 14. I will chain 1 and cut. I have counted 16 stitches at the heel here, the marked stitches included. I will attach my yarn and make single crochets across. I will chain 1. The chain 1 counts as a single crochet. Go to the next stitch, make a single crochet, and continue making one single crochet into every stitch until you get to the stitch marker. One single crochet across until you get to the stitch marker. I remove this stitch marker and work one single crochet, chain 1 and turn. Continue working these 16 stitches upwards until you have 7 rows. I have made 7 rows of single crochets, and this is what I have. For the right shoe, I'm going to chain at this point, chain 20. After chaining 20, skip the first 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, go through the 4th chain and make a double crochet. Then continue making one double crochet into every chain space across. At the end, you will have 17 double crochets across. After making 17 double crochets across, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch, cut and weave in the loose end. For the left shoe, I will chain 1 and cut my yarn at this point. Attach my yarn here. Chain 20, chain 20, skip the first 3 chain spaces, make 17 double crochets across. After making 17 double crochets across, slip stitch at the top here to finish. I will chain 1 and cut. Then to finish up, I have made slip stitches across, single crochets, slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch. Then you cut and weave in the loose end. This side, I have made one single crochet. When I get here, slip stitch across this strap, slip stitch along here, then make one single crochet, cut yarn at this point and weave in the loose end. I have 14 rows. I will fold it and leave 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will fold it at this point. Make a magic ring. Make 6 single crochets in the magic ring. 1, 2, continue until you make 6. After making 6 single crochets, pull this yarn to close the magic ring. Slip stitch in the first single crochet and cut. Cut leaving a long tail. Then I'm going through every stitch 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Go to the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and repeat until you come back to the beginning point. When you get at the beginning point, you take this yarn to any loop close to the magic ring. Tie these 2 loose ends. Then I will attach this button here. And that marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like my video. Then I will see you in the next tutorial.